If you saw this kind of message on your camera, just do this. Turn off your camera first, and then come here, open it, take off the memory card. So you see here, so put the stuff up, put back, close, then come here. You see, you can see again, and then you can take like picture. So the first time it wasn't working when it was like this. I can show you. Oops. You see? It's not gonna allow you to take like a photo. You see? You can take a picture because the memory card was locked. So if you need to know more things about like a camera, just comment. I'll show you.